Sheenlac Paints is an Indian paint company that has earned the trust of customers for over 5 decades. Sheenlac provides complete solutions for all your painting needs. Sheenlac has over 15,000 dealer touch points. Sheenlac Styl is a single-pack polyurethane wood finish. It forms a hard, shiny and more durable finish as compared to local French polish. Sheenlac Styl is available in gloss and matte variants in both interior and exterior categories. Product features of Sheenlac Styl: durable and economical. It forms a durable, hard and shiny coat on wooden surfaces and protects your wood from water and termites. Self-sealing. It does not require a separate sealer coat. The same material can be applied as base coat and top coat. Superior finish. Sheenlac Styl is fast drying and has excellent flow leveling properties which protects as well as improves the aesthetic appeal of your furniture. Technical specifications. Coverage. The coverage is about 90 to 110 square feet per litre for each coat. Mixing ratio. Mix Styl top coat with 5 to 10% Sheenlac enamel thinner. Method of application: spraying or brushing. Drying time: surface dry 30 to 40 minutes. Tack-free dry 4 to 5 hours. Overcoat interval 16 to 24 hours. Gloss level 90 to 95% in gloss finish and 20 to 25% in matte finish. Application process. Wear the necessary safety equipment before starting the application process. First, prepare the surface of the wood. Sand the surface along the grains with emery paper number 180. Surface is then cleaned with the help of a clean cloth, removing all the dust. Sand the surface again along the grains with emery paper number 220. Before proceeding to the next step, clean the surface with a clean, dry cloth. Stain the wooden surface, if required, with desired Sheenlac wood stain and let it dry for 30 minutes. In case of exteriors, use Sheenlac exterior wood stain to avoid color fading effect. Do not sand the surface after staining it. Mix 1 portion Sheenlac NC sanding sealer with 1 portion Sheenlac D13X NC thinner. Stir the mixture well. Spray 2 to 3 coats of the mixture onto the surface by spraying with an interval of 1 hour between each coat. Sand the surface with emery paper 320 grit in between each intermediary coat. Dilute 100 ml of Sheenlac Styl glossy or matte top coat with 5 to 10% of Sheenlac enamel thinner. Stir the mixture well. Spray 2 coats of Sheenlac Styl 1K PU glossy or matte top coat onto the surface with an interval of 16 to 24 hours between each coat. Sand the surface with sandpaper number 400 in between each intermediary coat. Leave the wooden panel to dry for a period of 16 to 24 hours. These are the final finishes: Styl glossy and Styl matte. Sheenlac Styl versus competition. Acid test. Take 2 drops of 10% sulfuric acid and put it on the panels coated with Sheenlac Styl and competition. Leave it for 2 hours and then wipe it clean with a wet cloth. Panel coated with Sheenlac Styl seem to be unaffected, while there is considerable damage in the one coated with competition material. Alkaline test. Put 2 drops of dishwash liquid onto the surface of panels prepared with Sheen-Lac Styl and competition and leave it for 2 hours. After the stipulated time, wipe off the portion with a wet cloth. Panel prepared with Sheen-Lac Styl appears unaffected, while a hazy mark is left in the one prepared with competition material. Cigarette butt test. We conducted a cigarette butt test to compare Sheen-Lac Styl panel's superiority to the competitor panel. This test is done to check the impact of heat on the surfaces. The burn mark left on the competitor panel is much more when compared to Sheen-Lac Styl. Cross-cut adhesion test. A cross-shaped cut mark is made on both the panels and a masking tape is applied to the chip of the paint. On peeling the tape, you can see Sheen-Lac Styl exhibits lower peeling when compared to the competitor panel. Sheen test. The sheen levels of the wood panels are compared using a gloss meter. The higher rating of the Sheen-Lac Styl in the gloss meter indicates superior sheen when compared to the competitor panel. Sheen-Lac's range of products includes automotive finishes, wood finishes and decorative paints.